Hello and welcome to your College Physics 2 course. We're going to talk about electricity, magnetism, optics, and lots of things in between. So in your mechanics course, the one just before this one, you learned about forces, and it turns out that there are just 4 kinds of fundamental interactions that we know of, or forces. There's the gravitational force, there's electromagnetic forces, there's strong interaction or strong force, which holds the nucleus of an atom together. And then there's the weak force. That also acts on the scale of the nucleus or smaller. So in your mechanics course, you frequently encountered gravitational forces in problems, but where's the normal force? Where's friction force in this list? How about tension? Is this really, there's only 4 total forces that we know of? They must have forgotten about tension, right? But actually, all of those are electromagnetic in origin. So when it comes down to it, it's charges interacting with each other. So electromagnetic interactions are interactions between particles or bodies that contain a property called electric charge. Electric charge is a fundamental property of matter, just like mass or inertia is a fundamental property of matter. It's just the way the universe works. Some things have charge. And so just like a body with mass is accelerated when in the presence of a gravitational field, right? It'd be accelerated according to Newton's second law. The force due to gravity is equal to the mass of the body times g, the gravitational constant on or near Earth, right? And so we can write that weight is equal to mg, depending on what notation you may be familiar with. But we would oftentimes write those types of things down to solve force problems in your mechanics course. Well, a body with charge is accelerated when in the presence of an electric field, just the same. And this analogy between electricity and gravity actually carries surprisingly well, and it'll allow us to lean on what we already know to aid us in learning these more abstract kind of topics in electricity and magnetism. So in this lecture, we are going to talk about charged objects, the origin of charge, electric force. I'm going to talk about Coulomb's law, the electric field lines, and then finally ending with Gauss's law.